here with your Tuesday Tidbit. So what do we do with a buyer in this market? We've talked about this before, different ways to strengthen your bid. Certainly putting in bids that have your attorney and have your inspector already lined up is a great way to give you a leg up. A third way that a lot of people don't think about is if you're not waiving your mortgage contingency, which a lot of people can't, and I totally get that. Why not put your mortgage broker into the offer saying that they have full access, the selling agent does, to speak to your mortgage broker, just so that they're not taking our word for it, but they can go to the source and find out, yes, you're very well qualified, you can do this. So it's just one more level of comfort for a selling agent in a very competitive market. Everything's going to highest and best and multiple bids. This is one more tool in your arsenal to help strengthen your offers. So there you go. We'll see you next week.